What if you could have eyes on the sky before danger ever reaches you? With TemsDrone, your VIP movements get more than an escort. They get aerial intelligence. Our drones scout ahead, monitor the environment, and keep your entourage one step ahead. From busy environments to sensitive locations, we give you a view that ground-level security simply cannot. Eyes on the sky. Eyes on every detail. And when situations demand discretion, our drones support covert surveillance, capturing critical details from a safe distance without disrupting the scene. A vehicle, a person, a movement, a location. We can document what matters, helping you gather valuable visual evidence and preserve the details that could otherwise be missed. With advanced aerial imaging, important details can be captured, reviewed, and identified. From vehicle information to individuals within the environment. Because security isn't just about watching what's happening, it's about seeing what's coming. TemsDrone, drone solutions for smart cities.